We're gonna guess how much we have on our mobile money accounts. Let's go. I have this amount.
And I have Hakaka amount.
How much do you think I have?
23,000.
No.
Lower, higher?
Higher. You have 30K. Lower or higher?
Lower.
Lower. Okay.
35K.
Higher.
Naishi na tycoon.
18K. Higher or lower?
Lower.
Lower.
Yes, no breadwinner in family.
10? Lower. Sawa.
37.
No.
Lower, higher?
Lower. 5K.
5K.
Lower or higher?
Lower.
I'm not laughing at you.
Balance yangu ni funny, ndio. 36K.
Yes. 2K. Higher or lower?
Kama ni madharau. Higher.
Higher. So umesema si 4K.
Between 4K and 5K. So uko sawa. Si umesema tuna round off.
Sawa.
You can see the breadwinner of the family.
Naweza explain. Uko kwetu ndo mimi ubuy feeds.
So
huwa natumiwa pesa ya feeds kutoka Narok ndio ni buy nitume, unaona?
Mimi kinitumia itamezwa.